Yo, 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 yo. What? You're gonna.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is tobiokes and if you are returning, welcome back. It is me. So today's video is very different. It is very different. I've literally never done this type of video on my channel, but I was like, let me give it to you today. I'm literally so excited because I've been waiting and I almost wasn't going to do the video because I just wanted to really do this thing. I had to wait for you guys because you guys are like my friends on here, so I have to show you everything first. But basically, you know when you lose all train of thought and you can't even speak? This is how I feel holding this box. This box contains my two Telfar, my two Telfar bags are in this. Let me just explain to you guys what I had to go through. I ordered these bags last year. I don't remember when the bag security program 3 was, but that's when I ordered these bags, and it was kind of in a rush because I got to the bag security program drop when there was only 1 day left, so I was like, oh my gosh, like I don't know which bags to get. So I just ended up getting a color that I have always wanted ever since I've started to want these Telfar bags. Ever since I've seen them, I'm like, I have to get you. If I don't get you, then what am I getting these bags for? And then another color that I can use for every day, but it's also a color that I do not have. They finally arrived in March as it said it would, so I'm literally just gonna open them for you today. I already have the yellow Telfar, so it isn't my first Telfar bag, but it's my first bag security, so I'm literally just excited. Okay, and yeah, so before we even start this video, please make sure to like the video if you'd like to see more of these videos. Comment down below anything, like bag, anything in general. I will always reply, and make sure you turn your post notifications on so that you are notified whenever I post a new video, because if you guys enjoy these bag unboxings, I will make sure to go and purchase more. You're fueling my addiction. Okay, let's get into it. So I have a screwdriver because I don't know, I couldn't find anything else, so I'm just going to put down, and it actually cuts quite nicely if I do say so myself. Oh, and it's easy. I just lift this. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, not my details. Oh. Return sticker. My baby. My babies. But this is how it comes, and it literally just says Telfar EST 2005 NYC, and then it has the color at the bottom of the bag. It comes in a plastic, and yeah, we know the famous logo. It comes in like a Ziploc plastic bag. Yeah, let's open it. Oh, my baby! I'm not holding it properly, you know, just in case I have stains on my hands from makeup. Of course, the space, you know. Let's just appreciate the bag first of all, with the drawstring top to keep your bags nice and dust free. And then when you open it, look guys, look at my baby. Oh my gosh, you can't even see it. Wait, let me put it on. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then it just has the small white shopping bag. Then it has the Telfar, like a Velcro. It has paper to keep it, you guys can't even see it, I'm so sorry. It has a paper to keep it together, and then it has a tag which says the name, and there's Telfar EST 2005 NYC with a Velcro strap that can be taken off, and then it comes out. Oh my gosh. Now, looking in the bag, let's take this off. I had to adjust my camera so that it starts to focus on my face and focus on the bag so you guys can see the color like that. Like, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna rip it because I don't have time. Well, I do have time. I have all the time in the world for this, but oh my gosh, she's so cute. Has the long straps, as always. Long straps, and it has the mini ones. She's so cute, and she's so tiny. This is my hand, and then this is it. It's just like fits my hand. It's my hand size. And then on the inside is white. Inside it has a clasp with the magnetic clip button. Yeah. And then it has the logo inside. Wait, give me a second. Has the logo inside, and then people say like it has a secret pocket, which it does, but I can't really show you guys that right now. And then inside it's literally just like this. It's a small bag, but it's also a statement piece, which is why I love these bags so much. I feel like I'm gonna be the type of person that carries it more like this. Actually, if I'm going on a day out or something, I'll probably keep it strapped to me on the side. Who can talk to me? No one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one came in the same box as expected. Same things, just has the plastic and has the Telfar on the back, says the colour in the bottom right hand corner. Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's take her out. Oh my gosh, she's so much prettier in person. My baby! Finally have the bubblegum pink Telfar bag. No one can talk to me. Same thing, has a Velcro. I'm gonna have to do this with one hand so I can show you properly, but this is tobiokes. Basically, this is how it looks. Has the Velcro that I showed you guys in the last video. Taking that Velcro off, just don't mind everything. This is going to be hard to take off with one hand, but I can do anything for you guys. So basically, this is her. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at her. And then it just has the tag as well that says the Telfar EST 2005 NYC. And then, oh, well, it turned for me. On the back, it has small bubblegum shopping bag OS. And then it has the strap, well, the paper that I managed to tear with one hand, guys. I'm elite, that's all I can say. And yeah, let's just put that there. Ah, she's open! Oh my gosh, look at the inside. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute! Now let me come back and show you guys on here, and then I'll put a video on afterwards when I'm just talking about the bag in general. I'm definitely going to be wearing this one like this, and especially when I wear grey. This is her. She's so cute. Gosh, and I'm going to have to take proper care of her because they are all vegan leather, so I'm definitely going to have to take extra care of these bags. She's so pretty. And then the inside is the same. I love the way they do like darker shades of the colours. You have the pink, you have like a darker pink inside, and then there are no zips in this bag, so you just have to fit everything in. This is the inside, and then it comes with the Telfar logo. It's honestly just amazing. I don't know what to say. They outdid themselves here. When this bag got created, that's when they knew that they outdid themselves. I'm just so happy this is in my hands right now. I love you. I do. My two children. Look at them. Ah! Wow. Yep. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I was waiting for these for the longest, and they're finally here. And they're so cute. Let me move on before I'm stuck looking at them forever. So everyone, that is all for today's video, and that is all for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing my Telfar bags. Now I'm the mother of 3 Telfar bags, and I'm literally excited and ready to grow my collection because I have like 2 more that I really want, and then I feel like I can start to, you know, settle down. But yeah, so excited, so happy, and literally just blessed enough to be able to even get them. And yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up if you love these unboxing videos, and if you would love to see me do more unboxing videos, comment down below. Also, if you would like to see more unboxing videos from me, and if you enjoyed this unboxing video, then please make sure to let me know. Make sure to subscribe to this channel also, so you get to see my unboxing videos and my other videos, and also turn on your post notifications so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. In general, I post every week, so you'll be seeing my face every single week. That is all. Wishing you happiness, and if you want a Telfar bag, wishing you all the blessings and wishing you all the luck in the world. And that is all from me and my bags. And yeah.